Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the high-stakes environment of maritime operations, where a single equipment failure can lead to environmental disasters or the loss of a vessel, failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, has become a cornerstone of safety and reliability management. This systematic, proactive methodology is used by marine engineers and naval architects to identify potential failure points in critical systems before they occur in the open sea. The process begins with a comprehensive breakdown of a specific system, such as the main propulsion plant, the steering gear, or the emergency power supply, into its individual components. For each component, the team asks what could possibly go wrong, which defines the failure mode. For example, in a common rail fuel system, a failure mode might be a leaking high-pressure pipe or a seized injector. Once the failure modes are identified, the analysis shifts to the effects, determining the consequence of each failure on the immediate system and the ship as a whole. A leaked fuel pipe might lead to a localized fire or an automatic engine shutdown, resulting in a loss of maneuverability in restricted waters. To quantify these risks, FMEA uses a scoring system based on three key parameters, which are severity, occurrence, and detection. Severity ranks how damaging the failure would be to life, property, and the environment. Occurrence estimates the likelihood using historical data and manufacturer specifications. Detection assesses how easily the crew or the automation system can spot the problem before it leads to a total system breakdown. By multiplying these three scores, engineers calculate the risk priority number, or RPN. High RPN items are designated as critical and require immediate design changes or enhanced maintenance protocols. For instance, if the steering gear has a high RPN for hydraulic seal failure, the design might be modified to include redundant cylinders or real-time oil condition monitoring. The beauty of FMEA lies in its ability to foster a culture of safety by forcing stakeholders to visualize worst-case scenarios during the design phase rather than reacting to them during a crisis. It also serves as a vital document for classification societies and port state control, proving that the vessel has been engineered with a deep understanding of its own vulnerabilities. Regular updates to the FMEA are essential as the ship ages or undergoes retrofits, ensuring that the risk profile remains accurate. By implementing this rigorous analytical framework, ship owners can significantly reduce the frequency of unplanned downtime and enhance the overall resilience of their fleet. Ultimately, FMEA is not just a piece of paperwork, but a strategic tool that empowers the crew to understand their machinery better and ensures that every voyage is conducted with the highest possible level of safety and operational certainty. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.